So today is Wednesday, November 11th, and I am just a little bit north of Playa del Carmen. And I rented this little bungalow. It's a studio and it's got a loft up there. Nice little area. Don't know how well you'll be able to see it all, but pretty cool little place. But the best part of it is, I'll show you. It's much more laid back than Playa so far. Very nice beach. Kind of have to come down some pretty small roads to get here. Some flooded roads too. They've got some spa areas here in the morning. I think they have two which they consider oceanfront or beachfront. This one here for some reason is closed. Probably cleaning up or something. And then the one I have here, that's considered a beachfront. You got your own hammocks. And the ones further in are considered beach views. But the hotel property consists of these little bungalows, and then they actually have a bigger building with, your standard type rooms. Pretty nice so far. Actually, today's pretty clear. If you look real close, you can see Cozumel all the way out there. The buildings that are big hotels and stuff out there. The water here looks a little bit cleaner than Playa too. Got your own little chairs, little porch. And this is an all-inclusive. Well, it's sort of. You get breakfast and dinner, but I think you pay for your drinks, so it's semi. But you really can't beat the views here. Maybe next video I'll give you guys a morning walk on the beach or something here. See how it is.